Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mrs. Fumi Adekpegba. The topic before me is the history of the powerful one in the ancient Yoruba land. Now I'll pick issue. Issue is devil. Issue in the Bible is different from issue among the Yorubas. Issue among the Yorubas formerly live in Ile-Ife. He live in Oke-Igbeti in Ile-Ife according to history, and is capable of going to heaven, and he can live in heaven and he can live on earth according to history. He learn Ifa work from Orunmila, so Orunmila used to send him to heaven. According to history, Eshu is an area scatterer. Before any babalawo or any abalis could embark on any job, they have to give Eshu his food. Eshu among the Yorubas is a no-nonsense one. You must give him his food. And what was this his food? Red oil. According to history, Eshu used to accept sacrifice from people. Ebo, the Yorubas call it Ebo. Yes, that's part of his food. He eats Ebo a lot. Now, according to history, I said before any babalawo could embark on any work, they must give sacrifice to Eshu, the devil. And I told you the devil on earth is different from the devil in the Bible. They are quite different from each other. Eshu is a very ugly one. He has a big ogo on his back. To identify Eshu's shrine, you will see 3 stones at a T-junction with red oil on top. That's a sign that this is Eshu's shrine. Or sometimes you can see a carved effigy with a long ogo on the back of his head. Yes, with red oil on top. That's a sign of Eshu's shrine. We don't keep Eshu's shrine within the house. We keep his shrine at the outskirts of the town. Now, according to history, I said he loves red oil. Yes, Eshu loves red oil and a no-nonsense one and area scatterer. His mother's name is Ororino and his father is Tabutu. Thank you. Now I'll go to let me go to Orisha Oko Ogunjeminiyi. Yes. Orisha Oko. Orisha Oko happens to be a great hunter in his lifetime. Now, when he gets old, he turns to a babalawo. When he turns into a babalawo, he waged war against witches, wizards, or banjis. He hates them. Now, Orisha Oko Ogunjemini, if any witch or wizard should enter his shrine, that witch or wizard will be dead. He doesn't welcome them. According to history, in his lifetime, he was formerly a hunter of bird and small animals. But this Ogunjemini, when he became a hunter, he waged war. When he became a babalawo, he waged war against the witches, the wizards, and the Ogbanjis. Thank you. Thank you very much.